Hey guys, so I've had this wig for a while and then she literally sat in the shipping box, but I think it's time for me to install and review her. This is actually a new line from Sensationnel. It's called the Bare Lace, a glueless lace wig, and yes, if I didn't tell you before, she's synthetic. So I got her in the style 13 by 6 unit 4. Color 1. That's all they had at the time. Y'all know I love trying some new colors. And this is how she looks. So let me go ahead and take out the box and show you what she looks like in real time. I just want to say, like, this is packaged so beautifully. The box is a box that you could reuse. You can store your wigs in again. But look at that. I feel like I'm unwrapping a present, like a luxury item. Ooh. Y'all, this is some thin AF lace. Oh my gosh. And look at the hairline. Do I have to pluck this? I probably don't have to pluck this. This lace is so soft and so super thin. Like this gotta be HD. I've tried HD like one other time and it definitely reminds me of some HD lace. I don't even think I'm gonna have to pluck this joint. Like, anyway, let me get to the cap construction. This is what she looks like on the inside. This is how much parting space you get. It comes with 2 small combs on the side, a comb in the back, an adjustable strap, and then the regular, I call them the bra strap, adjustable straps, okay? Yeah, this is what the color 1 looks like. I can't wait to put her on and show you guys. Okay, this is what she looks like on. I feel like I'm definitely going to have to do the ball cap method because you can see my stocking cap through the lace. It's so thin. I'm not going to pluck this because literally I feel like I don't have to. Look at that. This is going to be so pretty. I don't feel like I have to pluck this. Definitely going to do the ball cap method. But let me go ahead and do the ball cap method. I'll be right back. So this is with the tints. And I'm just plucking out like a few hairs on the hairline just to get a little natural, but no real true plucking. This is just me cutting the lace. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh, Sensational, you've done it. Let me go ahead and glue her on. I'll come back with the finished look. Okay, so this is the final result after the install. I haven't decided on which parts I want to. It's probably just going to be like a throwover method, but this is the wig. Look how flawless this hairline is. And this is before I put on any type of makeup. Y'all, Sensational really outdid themselves. This one is really, really long on me. This is the length. So I would probably say it's about 26, 28 inches. But yeah, this is so nice. I got it from Wig Types, so I'll put the Amazon link, but you can also purchase it from Wig Types or Ebony Line, like sites like that. And I'll post another video tomorrow with me all done up. It's just late, so I don't feel like doing that. Maybe I will, I'm not sure. But anyway, tell me what you think.